The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning. Welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Thursday. Hope everyone had a great night. Hope everyone's having a good morning, ready for a good day. Morning, G-Man. 1 second, and we will start going through what the markets did overnight. And we see the NQ dipped and ripped. Low was down to 11,433, which almost was double bottom of yesterday at 11,422. And we've popped up here, looks like the high 49. So about 125 points of range to the upside now. Copper taken off, whooshing up about 120, 130 ticks. Good morning, G-Man. How are you today? Gold, tighter range than yesterday by far. Yesterday saw it reclaim 1800. It's fallen back just a tad. Today, actually, I have the wrong yellow line there. Boom, 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 boom. Right now, about 7 points of range. Ultra Bond had a wild day yesterday. We were watching that on the stream yesterday. Today, not as wild. It's about mid-range with a little over a point in range. Hey, Ish, good morning. George, good morning. Glad to see y'all. How y'all doing? Crude oil's taken off here in the last hour or so. It's about 160 ticks of range. And a lot of that is in the last hour as it hit its daily high and staying around its daily high. And the gas that's natural. Nothing about unnatural gas here, just natural. And we're about 180 ticks of range there, up and down a couple of times. So that's where we stand. Bitcoin still hanging around 16,800. Doge a little under 10. Ready to rock and rumble the markets today. You can see is quite a. This is overnight. This is ES up, down, up. Wonder what that wick was about there. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. That's getting annoying. Up. Finally up, 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 up. Pull back to the 100 EMA there. Back up. Looking kind of bullish. And start the stream on my phone. I forgot. Let me do that real quick. How you been, Ish? Haven't seen you around in a little bit. There you go. It's always good to take a break when you feel you need it instead of like busting, or if you have just busted, taking a break to give yourself a fresh mind. Ouch. Well, coming back strong, and you'll get this. So yesterday when I finished the stream, I was down $1.19. Did take one more trade to finish up $7 and some odd cents. So I had a green day yesterday by $7 and something. Pulling back just a tad here, kind of really choppy. News this morning. I believe it's just unemployment. Good morning, Walter. How are you doing? $8:30, U.S. initial jobless claims, continued jobless claims. And then at 10:30, natural gas. That's it for today. If anyone's trading Asia tonight, be careful. Chinese CPI and PPI come out. 8:30 p.m. Of course, tomorrow's a big one for us. PPI report in the morning at 8:30. We also have at 10 o'clock University of Michigan sentiment preliminary and U.S. wholesale sales month over month. So, yes, tomorrow starts a wild 3 out of 4 trading days because we have PPI tomorrow, CPI Tuesday, FOMC Wednesday. I'm doing all right, Walter. Thanks for asking. So a little dip here, bounced again off that 100 EMA. Morning, Deb. How are you? Oh, rise up. Oh, that little pin bar there, hammer or whatever you want to call it. I mean, it had wicks both ends, so it's neither one really. But anyway, reversal back up. Another nice move up there. I think right here is our high of the day, 39.49.5. Let me look. Boop, boop, boop. Yes, it is. It's trying to get back up there. This strong candle out of nowhere, 4 points. You can see that's the largest candle we might have seen since here. And it's just going. Wow. I'm doing good, Deb. Thanks. New high day, 39.50. Hey, DWT. Still rising up here. So obviously this was a trigger candle, but I don't like trigger candles that do that. Usually they'll reverse on the next candle at least somewhat. This one did not, obviously. It's weird. It's only the indices. Crude isn't breaking out. Gold's not breaking out. Treasury looks dead. It's just the indices reacting here to whatever it's reacting to. Euro's up. Black Beauty, nice to see you. Hope you've been having, hope everything's been going well for you. We're seeing a little bit of a pullback there. So we got up to 39.52, pulled back here a bit. And there's the big pullback. And by big, I mean 3 points, but either way. Morning, Matt. So I have 12 trading days left to try and get about $2,068 on this account. On the first day of trading, the market gave to me uh, G-Man, because that's when the evaluation will renew, and I'm not going to renew it because it renews at regular price instead of the sale price I signed up for. So if I don't pass by the 24th, then I'm canceling it. Yeah, it's not really added pressure. I mean, I'm just saying that's what I need to do in order to pass or cancel it and try to pick something up on the next sale. Uh, Now, Gossip, I'm doing an ETF account. The one that was $25, I think, on, I don't remember if it was Thanksgiving Day or the day before Thanksgiving or whatever. I have two Apexes that I'm running the bots on. Yeah, ETF did a one-day flash sale for a $25 account, but it was only for the first month. I prefer I prefer using Tradovate and TradingView for accounts for the streams. It's just less cumbersome than trying to grab a NinjaTrader window. So this pulled back from this 52 high down to 48. Wait, you're offering to be a bot? I'm confused, G-Man. You may have. I didn't hear that, but I don't care either. Bot's also using micros, so, you know. And we talk about it on the Discord. We're breaking all of CFT's rules. Mind you, folks, if you are enjoying today's stream or you expect to enjoy today's stream, appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Stream's been doing well the last few days. The numbers have been coming back up like they were a couple months back. You're welcome, and thank you for hitting the like button. How you doing, David? We have a trigger candle here, so we've come down 5 points from high. See if we bounce here. I don't like this trigger candle. Well, I mean, it's not. We're technically just in an uptrend based on the EMAs, so we're going to see if this bounces here. And there it is, back up. Let's see, but kind of struggling. Taking along. Or stop right below that candle there. I was late as usual by 2 ticks. It just kind of did. This was a trigger candle down that I didn't take, and then it triggered back up. Sitting right on my entry right now. Yes. And it's not liking it now. 2-point stop on this. Good morning, Chris. How you doing today? Morning, world. Kind of stagnant here with about 8 minutes to the top of the hour. If this continues to maybe want to give me a push up. Someone will go in and buy about 1,000 ES contracts so the market moves up for me. It's an expensive book. No. After tomorrow. Sitting right on my entry now again. Not wanting to give me anything here. Come on, move up, move up, move up. Yeah, but the contract expires next Friday or Saturday technically, but yeah, you're gonna see volume die on the old contract. And you don't want to be on that debt. You don't want to be on the old. In my opinion, you don't want to be on the old contract when CPI and FOMC hit. There we go. Now we're getting some momentum. Or we were. Don't like that candle at all. Yeah, H. And goodbye, Herty. Five-minute timeout. Next time it'll be a ban. We're up 5 ticks. Continuing to try and push here. 3 ticks for my target. 2 ticks for my target. So tempted to take it off right now. 1 tick, 2 ticks. There we go. Target hit. We actually won our first trade of the day. If I remember back to January, I barely remember what I had for supper last night. But oh yeah, I do remember that. I didn't realize it still hadn't gone through. So we start the day off with a win. Get excited, folks. I got a little nervous when it pulled back off on the first candle, but see it's still going. Actually, it's just made a new high day. Oh, nice, G-Man. Excellent. Yeah. Fortunately, I don't have the money to mess with the stock market, but hopefully that'll change. I would love to do some dividend stocks. Wow. So it just got up to 53.75 and pulling back. That's definitely another reversal candle. Yeah, I can't take metformin. For a long time I could. It didn't bother me, but now I can't. It's a it's a prescription medicine for type 2 diabetics. It's considered the first line of defense. It's usually the first medication they put you on when you're pre-diabetic or when you're first diagnosed. Good morning, Dakota. It's not dangerous. It just has bad gastrointestinal side effects if it doesn't agree with you. Ooh. At least they continue to rise up. Yeah, that Judge contract's amazing. It's gonna be interesting to see what how Aaron Judge does with his body type toward the end of that contract. I saw a thing that only one player ever at at what the weight Aaron Judge is has ever hit a home run above age 37. Yeah, that we'll probably see that gap uh, somewhat fix itself on Sunday, which reminds me I don't want to run my bot at the open on Sunday. It reminds me I'm gonna need to change my bot over. And we're still rising up. No, he's not 37. But his contract will run until he's 39. Oh, Ronaldo. Oh, okay. I missed that. I was reading backwards. Yeah. Well, Verlander, starting pitcher. He's 40. He just signed a $43 million contract. Well, 86 million, 43 million a year. So the Mets now have two starting pitchers that are age 39 and above. What's going on, gossip? So, top of the hour saw a little spike, not much, won't be enough to get us a new high. Crude is rising up all of a sudden. G-Man, I kind of agree with that, although it does help to have a 100-mile-an-hour fastball. Or wipeout slider, or both. And an arm that can handle it. Yeah. The contract I'm most interested in is Jacob deGrom. He breaks down a lot, or has been. Uh, he. It's a shame because if he could stay healthy, it'd be interesting to see what he could have done over these last few years. But it'd be interesting to see how that 5-year contract goes. The fact that he's been breaking down every year. So a bit of a pullback here on everything. Yep, Maddox, Glavin, Smoltz, Avery, and then a couple other. Although back then, in that era, you only had one guy that maybe ever touched 100. That was Nolan Ryan. Now every team has multiple pitchers that touch 100 miles an hour. Ultra bond market opens in about 15 minutes. Well, treasuries in general. See, it's been heading down. Little pop up there. Another pop up here on the indices. Definitely showing strength so far this morning. Remember, we have news in 25 minutes. Look at copper run there. If I ever checked out rugby, nothing more than seeing highlights like on Sports Center. I've never like watched a full rugby match. You like rugby, Walter? Pull back. Oh, this was a nice move up. Could have obviously I could have got more out of the move, but happy with my 100. I need 20 more $100 trades. Seems interesting. It's a pretty violent sport, though, isn't it? I mean, the white line, it's a 20 EMA. 20, 100, 200. Yeah, 1 minute chart. It can work on the 5 minute chart as well. My cat's begging for attention. Not sure if his meows came across the mic or not. Morning, Justin. How are you? Okay. Yeah, American football is violent. Lacrosse. Maybe it's lacrosse. I'm thinking it's. I can't remember. Haven't really. I don't remember. I'm getting my sports all mixed up. Yeah, there. Okay, I was right. Thank you, Walter. Nice move up here. Yeah, it's another. That's something else I am trying here, G-Man. If it touches the EMA and then comes back, I've been trying to work that in. Yeah. Yeah, it's. I don't watch much NFL anymore because of how it breaks the guys' bodies up and the concussions and all that. It's not as fun to watch. Mainly, I mean, I follow my Eagles, what they're doing, and I watch the Super Bowl, but that's about it. Maybe I'll check it out sometime. The only sport I really watch regularly now is baseball. Used to be a big NASCAR fan too, but I haven't watched a race in years. Hello, New York King. And pulling back again to the EMA, 20 EMA. Let's see if we bounce again. And bounces again off of the EMA. Theoretically, this would be, I would possibly think of entering here, but I don't really like it. It seems like we're slowing down. And we're heading toward news, so gonna stay out. Happy right where I'm at right now. Remember, unemployment in 19 minutes or so. See, the subscriber number has gone up, so thank you for those that have subscribed today. Oh, apparently oil jumped on the Keystone Oil Pipeline in Nebraska being shut down after a leak. Sevens? What does sevens represent? Like that number of people on the field or whatever, or what does that? Good morning, Mr. G. And what months are rugby's season? Oops, got a drop there. That's a dip. Dip, 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 dip. Ah, man, gossip. Sorry. Take it you were long, or what? What happened there, gossip? Man, sorry to hear that. So this was a trigger candle, but not taking it here. We'll see if I was wrong. I have I have never bet on the sports game. I've played fantasy football and fantasy baseball, but that's about it. I don't have the money to bet on stuff. See, it's trying to bounce back up here. This might come down. I kind of like this as a short. I did not take it, but I kind of like it. I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. It's kind of hanging on the Bollingers. Like the mob? Oh, that's interesting. A little scary. Stagnant here. Oh, thank you for logging me out. Thank you for logging. Thank you for logging me back in. Gold pulled back a little bit after touching 1800 again. 1800 seems to be a spot that doesn't want to get above right now. Crude's leveled out here at 74. Copper still running. Whoa, natural gas has blew up. Ha 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 ha. And the Ultra Bond is heading down into its open. Big drop there. Good luck on that, G-Man. As we just kind of stay stagnant here. Cat once again meowing at me to scratch his back. Does he think I have nothing better to do with my time? Yeah. Nice little bounce there. Now, it was a trigger candle back up. Probably should have taken it. You can see this trigger candle did not work like I expected it not to actually. So I did not take the trigger candle back up just because we're kind of close to the news. Let's see if I regret that decision. Good morning, Candace, Annabelle. I don't know what to call you, Candace. I'll call you Candace. Yeah, honestly, I don't think they are confidential to everybody. I mean, oh, I think he's maybe making a news about Brittany Griner. She's on a plane on the way back to the United States. It might not be about unemployment. We'll see. 5 minutes ago, he just tweeted about Brittany Griner. Oh, I should have taken that long. It would have worked. That would have been 2 points. Yeah. Thing is, it's interesting because what is the good job numbers? The Fed wants the job numbers to be worsening to show that the labor market's softening, and thus inflation should be softening. But the president wants, obviously the job market to stay strong. So it's kind of a tug of war there, and how will the market react either way is an interesting thought as well. Yeah, absolutely. I mean, just trade what you see. It's fun to speculate on, G-Man. That's all it is speculation. What's it gonna do, and why does it react that way? It's just fun to talk about as we wait for the news. Ouch. That seems like a big number. Trying to decide if I should kill my bot before the news. It's up $109 right now. Its overall target, though, is 300. Yeah. Mr. G, I don't even know what that last news means. What the heck does macroprudential policy in here? What does that what does that even mean? I'm it's not a term I'm familiar with. 39, 54.75 new ES high here. Five minutes till news. Yep, another new high. Just trying to get up to yesterday's highs before news. This is interesting. Good morning, JC. Glad to see you. How you doing? Okay. Still rising up here. 39.55. I'm doing all right. 1 for 1 on this account. Morning, Joshua. Good to see you. Morning, Tay. Killed my bot. Morning, David. Judah. How's everyone today? 90 seconds till the unemployment report. So all my bots are finished in profit for the day. We'll see if I should have killed it or not. Sorry about what, Wayne? Ah, well, welcome back. "30 seconds till the news." Zor, good morning. G-Cart, how you doing? Welcome all. Yep. There's news. Let's see. Dip, 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 dip. Only by 2 points. Not a huge. Oh, dip and then back up. It's indecisive. It doesn't know if it likes the news or not. Ooh, it likes it. And now it hates it. New high 39.50. There we go. 39.59. I should not have killed my bot. I would have got more. I'll learn one day. Anyway, let's look at the numbers. U.S. initial jobless claims. Wow. Actual was 230K and the forecast was 230K. I don't think I've ever seen it where it hit the actual forecast. And the market doesn't know what to think either. Hey, Shabat. Kevin. Hello, Seventh Day. Welcome. See how the other stuff reacted. Of course, NQ reacted the same. Gold is all doji candle there. Back up to 1800. Crude dipped a little, coming back up. I don't think that had anything to do with the news. Ultra bond, well, popped on Ultra bond popped on its open. I forgot to even look at that. Copper down and now, but back. Excuse me, back up. Dow's up. Natural gas leveling out after its explosion earlier. So now we are coming down after that initial pop. Let's see though, kind of staying above that 20 EMA. How's everyone doing today trading wise? Anyone taking trades yet? Besides gossip, I know. I'm assuming JC took a bunch of trades already. Oh, nice bounce there. Definitely a nice bounce. Mark this. It's going to. Doing well with it there, JC. Black Beauty was in earlier, said she was. Oh, she made a comment about the euro. She didn't say if she was trading it, but I assume since she commented on it, she's trading it. Okay, so it's good that we did not. Well, put a stop right there on the EMA, but yeah, it looks like it's coming back down. Awesome. I know the market's been giving you fits over this week, a week or so. So glad to hear that. Range bounding down. It's popping back up. Popping fresh though. Yep, scalper's paradise. Mm. Yep, looks like I should have taken that. We'll see. Yep, yep. See if it gets back above our new high. 39, 59, 75. Uh, oh, wow. There's that 61 that both G-Man and Mr. G mentioned. Blew through 61 up to 62. Wow, 64? And Q, also really near yesterday's high. Yesterday's high was 596. And Q's gotten up to 592. I should not have closed the trade on my bot, and I'm upset with myself. I just cost myself another 50, maybe 800 bucks. Alright, G-Man. Awesome, world above. Good job. Glad to hear it. Should have taken a short there. It did break through my Bollinger here. That would have been a good play. I got to get better at watching for that. I can set alerts on that. I just been hesitant to set alerts because I hate when a bunch of alerts pop and then they all keep getting in my way on the screen. I used to have alert score. This is a bullish engulfing here, so that was only a quick pullback. Back up to 64, 65. Hanging here in this 1363, 64 area. as we wait for, well, there's no more news today, really. Well, it's like Putin says something again, but we have the bell in about 51 minutes. Ultra Bond. Yeah, that would have been a great trigger right there. I would have got in just about the same area, and so I probably already hit. My targets are usually 5 or 6 on Ultra Bond. Continue to watch that. Looking for 09. One tick away. CNQ at the top there. And it looks like Dakota just got his target. So since this top here, we see that yeah, ES has come down about 4 points. Great job, Dakota. Isn't that whoop, there it is? Whoop, there it is. Whoop, there it is. Oh, sorry. Market's just a little bit of deciding where it wants to go. This is NQ. You see, wow. I mean, that was quite the drop there on the bonds. In a matter of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes, it's come down over a half a point. Yep. For a while there, they were traveling in the same direction. Now they're back to their opposites. Opposites attract. Little Paula Abdul there this Thursday morning. 15 minutes until the top of the hour. I love the 80s. Reminder, folks, next Friday, a week from tomorrow, at 11 a.m. Eastern, Greg over on Weenie Trades will be live interviewing Daryl Martin, founder and owner of Apex Trader Funding. Be fun to see what Daryl has to say and what kind of questions Greg comes up with. So where does it need to get to, G? Or what level does it need to get to? My options knowledge is still very, 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 very limited. Yeah, it's going to be interesting on that gap down Sunday. Or gap up, whichever. Okay, I got you. And where does it need to get that 50% or whatever you're looking for? I guess this was my question. Or what? When do you decide to close it? I guess that's what I'm asking. David, it's contract roll. You need to roll to the March contract before Monday. Well, before Sunday night. I mean, you don't have to roll, but you should definitely see a lot more volume on the new contract than the old. I Contract expires next Friday. One day maybe I'll learn options. Then again, maybe not. They seem confusing. Yeah. That's what I mean. That's what I plan on doing, David. I think we'll definitely see by some. I mean, I haven't looked at volume today yet, but yeah. So you got a winner there, Zor? See ES or NQ's bouncing off of ZMA. Here's another bounce off the ZMA. Technically, right here, this could have been an entry for me. We'll see if it goes, but these are the kind of things I'm playing with. It's not technically a trigger candle based on my system, but it's an EMA bounce in the direction of the trend. Which one has, I assume the March right now is the 22K? Yeah. Yeah, like I said, I expect that because I think the CME has actually said people should now roll on that Monday or Sunday night. Okay, good job, Zor. And nice seeing you, Zor. We haven't seen you around in a little bit. I don't think. I need to get someone to volunteer to take attendance. Yep. So no, that one would not have worked. Doesn't look like it's dipping down. Let's see if it dips and comes back up. But we're below the moving average on the RSI. So I'm thinking this is more of a finally. You can see we've been grinding down basically from 65 down to 58. So I've had a 7-point drop. Yeah, I can't hold overnight or over weekends anyway. There's no, well, most prop firms don't allow any type of swing trade. Hey Hassan, yep, I agree. Ouch, that doesn't sound like you had a fun time there. All right, JC. Yeah, Bolinox and someone told me one other, but I don't remember who. One other prop allows you to hold a couple of micros. I think Lilu allows you to swing a couple of micros or something like that. So dipped. Let's see if it's coming back up. Technically trying to send the trigger back up. Nope, not it's failing. And I'm not comfortable taking it here. I think we are heading down here because we were toward the top of the range here. We've gotten some distance between the 20 and the 100. It just makes sense to consolidate a bit more to the downside. It is a little slowish. Slowish? I guess sluggish would be the right word. Uh, no more news today. Tomorrow should be exciting with PPI. Yeah, I saw it was a perfect match to the forecast. It was surprising. Well, okay, yeah, natural gas storage. How many people here actually trade natural gas? Show of hands. I mean, it's interesting. I've been charting it, and I may at some point trade natural gas, but right now, the only person I've heard trading natural gas in here has been Babyfish, and he only stops in once every couple of weeks. Good morning, Ace. So this was the short, looks like. Let's see. Did not take it because, you know, but it would have, well, it would have given me 2 points. How was Ace today? You never brought me my biscuits yesterday, Ace. I was upset. Sometimes I think Ace is more popular in here than I am. Remember, folks, if you're enjoying today's stream, I would appreciate you hitting that thumbs up button. Helps the YouTube algorithm. It helps let YouTube know you like the stream, and thus YouTube will tell other people about the stream. We're approaching 1,200 subscribers. 15 away. Just have them trudge through the snow. Hey, John. Sorry, I missed you. I saw Ace come in and totally missed you. I apologize. How you doing today, John? I already am big, but that's gonna change. Big health and fitness plans for the new year. John, are you not hearing me? So it would have given me a quick 2 points, but it would have been a risky one. It would have just given me 2. It's trying to pop back up now. 2.5 minutes to the top of the hour. How's it going today, John? Now that your volume's on. Roll it for Sunday night. You can keep it on Z for the rest of this week. We just talked about that. Volume is still much less on the new contract than the old contract. So just wait until after this week's done and then roll. Crude market opens here in just a little over a minute. We'll watch the crude chart. We'll watch the crude. Let's get those Bollingers off the crude so it's easier to look at. There we go. We'll even get that off there. Yeah, did you look at that? Did everything look good? I know you thought it might be a problem because it did so well. Pushing down. Crude pushing down here right before it's open. 22 ticks. That's a big push. Pops back up. Awesome. Can't wait to hear. Crude indecisive here at the open, but seems to be trying to head down. Yeah, Ultrabot did bounce there a bit. Back up to DMA, but that was quite the nice fall. Not afraid of falling. So crude, you can see here in the crude chart, it hit a high there, 75.44, and so it's dropped 90 ticks since that high. It's about the yeah, it was about the same high we saw on where same spot as the indices as well. It's interesting. Now it's popping. Back to ES. ES is trying to bounce again on the EMA, but you can see how it's just hugging that EMA for the last 10-15 minutes. So Ace is dealing with a winter wonderland. Walking in a winter wonderland. In the meadow we can build a snowman. Morning, Speed Racer. Good luck on that, Dakota. Yeah, it's looking like it wants to try and grind up there a bit. Everything's kind of slow, pausing here. Still got 26.5 minutes until the bell. Wow, TradingView. Speaking of rolling contracts, they have now added that to TradingView. If you have trouble remembering when a continuous futures contract switches, we got a little something for you. There are now contract switching icons on the chart that will tell the switching dates as well as other useful info. Yep, you can see it right there. That's the wrong. That's wrong though. That's when it expires. They don't have the actual icon. Yeah, it shows the expiration. It doesn't show the switch. Unless it's on. Maybe it's only on continuous. I'll look. I have a continuous chart here somewhere. Yeah, there's a continuous chart. Let's see. Let's get it to go back to our hourly. No, let's check our daily. No, it's not there yet, so we'll have to see how that works. And back to our ES. Ouch. Sorry, Dakota, that sucks. Hello, Sid. Good to see you again. How you doing? So this trigger back up here would have worked for another 2 points. So actually, this trigger would have worked as well. To the short side for quick 2, this would have worked for 2. Maybe I just need to refresh or something. Cool. Glad to see that they're working. That's a nice little, TradingView keeps adding nice additions. If only they would get tick charts and real Renkos. My spreads, it's a personal question. No, ES has only been about a tick. Haven't really watched anything else because I haven't been trading anything else. The TradingView does not use Renkos the right way. They base it to it. They still have it tied to a time. See, if I go to a Renko, this is the Renko. This is not. This will not look like a Renko normally. It's still based on. Somehow they have it based on time. It's just not the same, or at least it wasn't the last time I looked. I don't think they've updated anything. It's just, yeah. I need to get back because that's just weirding me out. Dip down there. Swim closed my account because I didn't have any money in it. Good luck there, Dakota. Nice move down. That would have been another play for me. If I was playing Ultra Bond right now, these would have been my 2 entries. Eh, this could have been the entry. Either one of these. And then this one right here would be my other trigger. Nice, Sid. Good job. Yes. So you can see here how quickly these are. I mean, I shouldn't say quickly, but they're only going 2 points, but they're working. This would have been a good trigger candle. This would have been a good trigger candle, and this would have been a good trigger candle. I didn't take any of those, but I should have. And that's another thing I get better at is just trusting myself to take these quick hits. I mean, that's $300 right there. +6. Nice job, Dakota. And I also want to thank Dakota and the others that not only talk about their winning trades, but also their losers. We want to be able to, you know, definitely remind everyone that, it's not just winning trades. It's losers are chances to learn. So many streams and other channels just talk winners. Obviously, you all see my losses on a daily basis. Well, that's been getting better. Now I just need to take more trades. So like I said, 100 right there. Actually, the last 4 actual trigger candles would have worked. As we head toward the silver bell. Oh, got a big move down there. ES now breaking its 100 EMA. Extended to the downside. I do not have a strategy for playing the 100 EMA like I do the 20. I've just been using it for trend type moves. Yeah, Sid, you know, you had a green trade, so, that's a good thing. Did push down through that 100 EMA and 54.75, 53.75. Why are you getting FOMO there, JC? Definitely a nice breakdown here with about 15 minutes to go before we hear the bells. I heard the bells on Christmas. Copper getting pretty extended there. I would say, ooh, that was an interesting candle there too. I bet you copper's going to come down. It's already starting lower highs there. We'll see what that does. Let's see if I'm right. If I can see how far away the moving averages are starting to get from one another. Let's see what the bands are showing. Yeah. You can see copper's definitely been a new daily high since we started the stream. Gold has made a new high since we started the stream. Ultra bonds made a new low. Crude made a new high, but is falling quick. ES continues to grind down. So watching. Pop back up there, bullish engulfing candle. Did not get down to the 200. Yawning all of a sudden. Watching to see what it wants to do here. I'm guessing we see some consolidation here going into the bell. Just my guess. I want to thank everyone for joining me today as we're heading into the New York US Open. Remember, feel free to join in the chat. Questions and comments are always welcome. Love to hear your thoughts on just about anything. The exception of religion and politics. We keep that discussion off the stream. So it stays below right now the 100 EMA. You see the 100 and the 20 are kind of converging. John, yes, they did. Bogart's much bigger than I expected. Judge, that contract's going to be very interesting uh, in the later years with his body type. Yeah, did you see the thing about you know Judge is at 275 pounds. There's only been one player above 260 pounds that's ever hit a home run above age 37, and that was Bartolo Colon. Yeah, I saw that tweet yesterday. It was interesting. The fact that Bartolo Colon's the only one. I remember that home run. True, that's a good point, Dakota. Yeah, I mean it's gonna be interesting to see a lot of these contracts. I'm not. I mean, I don't. I'm a Phillies fan, and I'm not really a fan of the later years for Turner and Harper either. Oh yeah, I agree. See, we got a trigger candle back up here. Uh, we'll watch it. See, I'm too hesitant, but we'll see. This is close to the bell anyway. See if it gets me that 2. Just amazing how much money gets thrown around that. And it's like, I think it's amazing, so many of these big, well, I shouldn't say big deals, but long deals, just haven't worked out. Pujols and Cabrera, they all had bad seasons for multiple years, and I really thought you were going to start seeing more 5-year contracts, and now you're seeing all these 8 to 13-year contracts. It's just insane. So, talking a little baseball as we head into the bell. Yeah, I mean DeGrom getting 5 years, I think, is crazy. 5 minutes to the bell. Wonder if we're gonna go up or down. I agree. But I mean, it's crazy that they have two starting pitchers, age 39 and above, that's making a combined over $80 million a year. Oh yeah, that's sorry, John. I forgot they were both Tigers at the same time. And popping back up. Take a gander. We'll move to our 5-minute charts and watch everything at the open there. We'll watch gold, crude, and Q and ES. Crude coming back up to its EMA there. Market definitely taking a little breather here before the open. Just give me 1 second. I'll be back in about 42 seconds. Back. And we are just about a minute and 15 seconds from the bell. Are we ready for the ring-a-ding-ding? Fifteen seconds. Ding, 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 ding. Move down. 10 points down on NQ. 2 on ES. 16 now on NQ. Nothing real high velocity yet. Slightly green on ES. NQ slightly red. Yep, now they both went green. Red to green. We're up 4 points there. ES up a point. Definitely nothing exciting here yet. Gold's kind of driving up. And push down again. Both red now. Now we're getting some velocity down. About 5 points down on ES, and all of a sudden, boom, down 20 on NQ. 26, 28, 30. ES down 6. So it took a minute for it to kick in. We kind of paused again there. NQ hit its 100 EMA on the 5 minute. Crude fallen. It's back under 74. ES down 6. NQ down 25. But bounced again there. Still 2 minutes to go on this 5 minute candle. Up, wow, boom, now there's a boom down. 30 points on NQ. ES down 7.25. Good morning, Crypticon. How you doing today? Besides doing your Kool-Aid Man impression. Nice. Good morning, Prince. Good to see you. Oh, 9 points down now, 10 points down now on ES. NQ down 43. So after the first couple minutes were like stagnant, the second are definitely not. Kind of expecting a bounce though. Awesome, Crypticon. Dow's up. Oh yeah, Dow is a slightly green on the 5. It just went red though. Strong move down of almost 50 points now on NQ on this 5 minute candle. 11.25 on ES. Starting to see a little bit of a wick there on ES and NQ though. Half a micro? You can't do half a micro. They haven't brought out nanos yet. Still pushing down. So the end of the 5 minute candle, 47.5 points on NQ, down 11.5 on ES. Go back to our 1 minute chart. You see gold also fell, by the way, instead of crude. Our 1 minute chart. That one would have stopped out, by the way. Well. So definitely a nice trigger candle on the back down there. And we could have triggered off of that if we wanted to. Just a nice, beautiful drop here. You see, since its high about an hour ago, it's dropped over 20 points, about 22. What's our low of the day, you ask? Well, that's a good question, and it's a valid question. It's all the way back here. Around 39.16, it looks like. So still a ways to go before low of the day, but you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 green, 8 red candles in a row here. Continuing to just drop. Maybe a bottom here. We'll see. Got down to 39.40 and a half. Nice little bounce. Oops, wrong button. Yeah, strong move back up here, 4 points, 3.5, 4. How you been doing today, Prince? I'm sorry to hear that. Trying to push back up in the green here. Nice, G-Man. Checking agriculture and see what it did at the open. Oh, corn was all over the place. Slowly dropped and then popped. I think that was the order of the day for everything. Ultra bonds wrapping around its, sine waving around its EMA. Nice little curve here. Purple's perfect. Bullish engulfing here, leading upwards. Trying to get back up to that EMA. Sorry, I was just hitting the mic with my fingers. Did not mean to do that. That's a pretty big bounce there from 39.40 and a half up to 39.49. Setting a trigger on the 20 EMA, maybe bouncing off of it though. We'll see. Oh yeah, back down. Strong 3-point candle here. Thought about taking this short, but yeah. Nope, no other news today, Chris. Tomorrow we have a bunch. Excuse me. Just watching. Okay, so it looks like that would have given me 2 points playing that bounce. Boom. Oh yeah, well, yeah, easily would have. Another thing I want to start doing is playing these bounces. Nice green move up, then red. Technically, you know, that would have worked well. Oh, 03. Ah, nice. Target, JC. You're right under the 100 EMA if that matters at all. Probably doesn't to your strategy. Struggled to get above there though a couple minutes ago. Alright. So keep an eye on that. Dakota and JC both in longs on the Ultra Bond. Nice, Sid. Beautiful. Did you just get stopped, Dakota? As we see, oh wow, big move down there on ES. Definitely should have played that bounce. Continuing down fast. 6 points on that candle. Ultra Bond also pulling back. It's the third recent bounce off that 200 EMA, I mean the 100 EMA. Sending me a trigger candle back down. Not trading Ultra Bond, but It sent good signals today following the 100 EMA trend. So it would have been a good 5-tick winner there. That one would not have worked. It'll pop back up though on ES. It's trying to gain that whole big impulse candle back. Thank you, George. Bounce pretty much close to settlement. Excellent, Chris. Great job. Okay, getting a trigger candle back up. That was a nice bounce there. Up. So we went down, up, down, back up. But is it bouncing again? Bounce again here off this EMA? Just strong candle there. Oop. Ended up not being a trigger candle and coming back down. And maybe should have played the move to the downside because I moved down quickly 2 points. Yep. I just didn't move fast enough on that. I was surprised that it turned around that quick. So having a good bounce off the EMA play. And really quickly now back to green. Hey Leonardo, how you doing? Nice. I'm long. 39.48. It's for some reason the order is not showing up on my screen, but I'm long. There it is, finally. Just hesitating here. This could go either way, honestly. Down 2 ticks. Sorry, JC, I wasn't paying attention. Was that in profit? There we go. Target hit. Excellent, excellent, excellent 2 wins today now. Oh, 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 oh. Now up 191 today after commissions. 2 for 2 on the day. I'm sorry, man. Thank you, Dakota and Chris. That was a nice move up off that trigger. Now this was actually the trigger candle, and you can see that it originally moved down, and actually I could have played the bounce off the EMA down for 2 points as well if I had been that quick. But I quickly shot back up, which made me get in on the next candle. And obviously it's moved up nicely, way more. I got it at 48. It got just hit 55. So I could have got 7 points out of that, which kind of sucks. But yeah, 2 for 2 in the day. If I can average $200 a day over the next 12 days, that'll get me to pass this eval. I'm feeling way more confident lately. I feel like I'm finally reading price pretty well. Obviously, I'm not taking in as many trades as I should. Back here I could have got 3 quick winners. This would have been a winner. As you can see here, ES just blew through its 20, 100, and 200 EMAs. All the way back up to 39.55. See, on this move here, before it made that mega drop, there at the open, it got up to 39.57, so it's trying to challenge that. Now above that, high a day, way back here, 39.65.75. Right after news, and then it started pushing down. They have found, again, maybe topping out in this area. Maybe not, we'll see. Just trying to climb the bands up. You should only ever climb Bollinger Bands. Never try to climb a marching band. They don't like that. UB at 01. Nice. Yeah, the trigger candle up. It's again bopping up against that 100 EMA. Can it break it this time? Can it break on through to the other side? There's a break. Does it hold? There's Dakota 6. Assuming he got filled on that. Yep, there we go. Oh, that sounds awesome, Sid. Vroom, vroom. Absolutely, Leonardo. Well, rising up. So it broke through. Trying to get up toward high day. That was a beautiful candle. I really need to start trying for runners eventually. Because, I mean, obviously, I got in at 48 and it's going up 15 points. Is this the high? That's an interesting reversal, potential reversal candle there. Here we are nearing the top of the hour. Glad I didn't take a short there. So about an hour left in our stream. So far, successful stream. 2 for 2. I believe my last trades yesterday, I don't remember how many trades in a row it was. Let's go look. I can look at my stats. Yeah. Yeah, my last 3 trades yesterday were winners, and then so 5 winners in a row. Still pushing up here. Push up. Push. 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 Got within a pull. Got within 3 ticks of the high. There we go. Boom, boom, boom. Higher. Can you take us higher? So I am mad at myself for exiting my bot trade. My bot would have, I don't know. Let me go look. That particular bot goes for a huge target, 300 ticks. It was in it. It was in at 507. On NQ, and NQ just hit 620. So yeah, it would have. I could have got another lot out of it. I need to just let the bots play. Great job, G. That looks like a possible reversal candle there in ES. But a bearish engulfing there. Maybe. Hasn't engulfed yet, I apologize. Was engulfing. Yeah, 600 ticks is what I'm shooting for, so 150 points is almost the target. Taking a short here, this might be stupid. Yeah, it was stupid. I'm going to give back profit. Maybe not. We'll see. Yep, stupid, stupid, stupid. Come on. Oh, wait, maybe not. Should have took the quick two ticks. Nice job, Crypticon. Out. So it took a 1 point loss there, went back by $50. That was stupid. Still up 136. It was 3 ticks in the profit at 1 point. I should have quickly grabbed it there. Watching this here. Kind of stalling. Now it's trying to head back up. So came down by 2 bars and then came back up. Glad I got out where I did and didn't let it go to a full stop. New high day. 39.70. So 20 minutes. It's gone from 37 to 70. Math says that's about 33 points. Yeah, Crypticon, I think that's a good idea to be done for the day. Know when to hold them, know when to fold them. Know when to walk away, Know when to run. Gotta count your money when you're sitting at the table. I'm sorry. Got all on a tangent there. I apologize. Still rising. And this is why I should not try to play pullbacks. That Crypticon, I'm not always going to be around to make your decisions for you. No, seriously, but you know when you should walk away. So up to 39.72 and a quarter for the high. See NQ, that was an interesting hourly candle there on NQ. And ES has been coming, NQ has been coming down, as is ES, of course. They basically move the same way. For basically 5 straight days, 6 straight days before now, it's starting to reverse up. Very interesting to see what PPI does tomorrow. What's everything else doing? Gold made a nice move up, and is right now staying in the 1800s. Not the century, but the price. Crude under 74 again. Copper kind of wonky. Dow, nice move up, of course. Treasuries, little pop. Natural gas, a little pop. Bitcoin, nice rise there. Trying to get back up to 17,000. Down, that's a bearish engulfing. Nice job, Chris. Wait, I thought you were going to stop. Pulling back just a bit. So high 39.73 with pullback. Wow, 7 points already. That was a quick pullback. Thought about taking the short here after this bullish engulfing, and obviously I should have, but hey. Nice job, Chris. Make sure to bring some back for everybody. Popping back up. Popping fresh though. Ultra Bond looks like it's lost some oomph there. A lot of non-candle candles, for lack of a better term there. Nice, Dakota. Nice, nice, nice. We all hope that Ace didn't have a heart attack shoveling snow. Yep, he said he had to go shovel snow so the kids could get to the bus. He's in Utah. I think higher elevations of Utah. Yeah, we're pushing back up. 39.73. It's the high. We're about 39.70. We're having a warmer trend here in central Illinois. I mean, we're not supposed to get below freezing for the next 7 days, and it hasn't been below freezing for the last few. We had a couple of cold snaps, but so far it's been a warmer trend for this time of year. Like it's 40 right now, high of 46. A lot of rain though in the forecast. But I'm dreaming of a white Christmas. I'm glad to hear that, JC. I'll see you tomorrow. Get ready for PPI. Up down indicator. Ooh, big drop here. 5 points. Inappropriately touched the EMA. Still try to push down. You see there's a big gap between the 20 and the 100. Usually means that it's going to close. They don't get too far away from one another. They miss each other. You can see we came up, down, up, down, up, down. So there's a good chance I'll take, if this sends me a short signal, I might take it. It's trying to send a short signal here. It's hanging right on that band though, the bottom on the RSI, which gives me a little bit of pause. Taking the short. Eh. Back to break even. Nope. Darn it. Should have listened to my rules instead of guessing a reversal here. So it's going to take away my profit for the day. It's exactly the move I tried to prevent with this new using the EMAs down there, and I didn't listen to myself. I thought I was smarter in my system. So stopped out, down $17 on the day. Idiot. I'm an idiot. And we're pushing back up. Now it may make another run here. That's another thing I tell myself. It makes if the first ignore the first one. If it does a second one, take that one. And here it comes down. Watching here. I will try again if it gives it to me. Nice Crypticon. Staying above that EMA. Yeah, I knew what you meant. Crypticon. About 35 minutes to go on the stream. See if I can get another entry to get back to green. Nice. That must have been a nice drop there on crude. Or a rise, or, yeah, crude heading down. Down, trying to break below 73. Excellent, John. Excellent. So if I had not taken the short and instead taken the long, I would have got target. I hate that. Sorry, Dakota. So you and I both had the same thought, and we both took a loss. I gotta just start listening to myself. Listening to my rules. I just, you've seen how extended we are, how far away the 20 is away from the 100. We're also, downtrending here on the RSI's moving average and stuff. So it just looks like a short to me. It's a good question. Let's see. I mean, I don't think this looks like it really wants to go up much further, but I could be wrong. I mean, it keeps trying. I mean, no, I guess, well, there it goes. Now it's yeah, all-time high, not all-time high. Daily high, 39.74. Is this its last big move before it starts to fall? $39.75 and 25, I think. 39, yeah, 39.75, 75. So let's see how far we go. I don't know where we're going. Pulling back just a tad. It's kind of sideways right now. So was it that its last ditch move up before coming back down? We shall see. We shall see. Or we're bull flagging, gonna pop up higher. Ultravon rising up nicely there. All right, Crypticon. It's a good idea, although I said it was a good idea a while ago. Very good, Crypticon. Sideways. Tomorrow, tomorrow. Big pullback. By big, I mean 3 points. Just trying to send me a trigger there. Kind of like it again. Nice, Dakota. There's the trigger. Got 25 seconds on this candle. Do I try it again? That's the question. Nope. Heads up green. Glad I did not try it again. Get that right back up to the EMA. The question is, do I want to take it long? Not confident in either direction right now, but it's got to go one of them, right? Strategy tells me to go long. Placement on the RSI down here tells me not to. So we're going to stay out. So far, my instincts have been right on both. Let's see if it wants to come back down here. I'm still thinking it wants to head down, but it could fool me. Nope. Up it goes. And would have given me 2 points. So maybe I need to stop doubting my strategy of just taking whatever, whenever it pops above when it's trending upward. That would have been a win. Nice, Dakota. We can look at volume. Give me a second, John. Somewhere here, I think I have an ES chart with volume on it. Yep, there it is. So let's look at a daily. You can excuse all the lines and stuff. That's the. Yeah, it looks like we're really down today, for sure. You're starting to see people moving to the other contract. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Let me make sure this is not the new contract. Good question before I do that. ESZ. Yeah, this is the new contract. I mean, this is the old this is the December contract. And the volume is so far down. Now, obviously, these are full day bars versus just today, but it seems like definitely light for the day. Let's see what the new contract looks like right now. So right now, today has 625K of volume. ESH. As you can see, volume is increasing on the new contract, but it still is only at 111K. So it's still doing 1/5 of the volume of the old contract. Hourly, last hour, 23.68K. ES December 210K, so it's still doing 10 times the amount. Sorry, John, Nightbot doesn't like links. Hold on, I can fix that, John. John, now you can post that link. So ES did just make a new daily high while we were checking volume, 39.77 and a quarter. Yeah, I could probably tell Nightbot to allow land, though I don't know if YouTube allows links. But John, what was that link? You can post it again now, because I just made you a mod. Nice, Dakota. You got this ES thing down already. What did you post there that it deleted? Post whatever you posted again. Because now you can post anything you want. Now that I made you a mod, it won't filter anything. You could say all 20 curse words in the English language and it will go through. Don't get any ideas, anybody else that has a mod. So, was that our last ditch effort? I don't know. I'm not taking. I mean, obviously, if I had taken that short there, thinking again that that was going to be the downward move, I would have been wrong. Well, that's weird. Oh yeah, I forget. I can view the deleted message. Thank you, Mott. That explains a lot for me today. Oh, I see. You didn't have a space between today and the period and the off. So today dot off looked like a link to Nightbot. So it was all just a typo. But hey, you became a mod out of it. I always forget I can see the deleted messages. So the bot was just stupid. Hopefully it didn't hear me say that and tells my bot to cost me wins. Hopefully they don't stick together. Now there's another move to the downside. Another trigger candle. We'll just wait. Of course, this one's working. Yep, that would have given me my 2 points. So that ended up being the good trigger candle. I had a feeling because this was more of a reversal candle than anything we've seen over here. Have a good day, Crypticon. Chris. Didn't you say twice you were going to stop? Did you say something about discipline? I mean, the trade's working, so I mean. So, was that the last move up? Let's look at it from a more outward perspective. We went up, down, dipped, up, dip, up. That might be our last big dip up. It wasn't much further. Each one of these was just a slightly higher high. All right. I'm just trying to remind you what you say in case you're really trying to get better discipline if that's what your goal is. I don't believe that there necessarily has to be a cutoff time of trading. Unless you start feeling there's a certain time of day that you don't become as good. You're getting tired or the market changes at a certain time or whatever. So I'm just reminding you what you said. I'm not obviously chastising. I ain't a chastiser. And we do see NQ pushing up. ES also pushing up. It's back, going back above the moving average. And again, not sure. I want to take it. So we'll learn from this. We'll see whether or not it goes. See if I should take it. It's trying, but it's not sticking. At least not on ES. And Q is just hanging right on that EMA, right around 638, pulling back now. Have a great day, Dakota. See you tomorrow. We're just kind of watching here. What to do? Honestly, I wanted to go short here after seeing that candle. That we're still above the longer period EMAs, so I didn't. It might be good. See, I mean, it's indecisive. Oh wow. Yep, I should have taken the move to the upside. What am I gonna learn? Although it didn't actually go two, so maybe I didn't learn anything. Pulling back down. See every little now you're starting to see every little move up being quickly beaten back down. Wow. Yeah, great job there, Chris. Excellent. Now this candle just went red, so it didn't actually give me the 2 points that I've been looking for. Well, actually, maybe it would have. I apologize. 39.70.75 up to 39.72.70. Yeah, it would have given me only two. Yeah. Duh. Now it's pulling down again. That to me smells like a reversal, but at this point I'm staying flat. We'll take the red day, I think, unless something absolutely obvious hits. See you tomorrow, Chris. PPI tomorrow. Be ready. I lost 2 trades. 2 stupid trades for the most part, but yeah, I lost 2 trades. Things move fast around here, Prince. Tomorrow's PPI Crypticon. That's alright. It's not like it's horrid. You shouldn't be trading when the news hits at 8:30. At least that's my opinion. Have a great day, John. See you tomorrow. It's only a day away. Stretching, sorry. Sounded like a groan or a grunt. I apologize. And popping back up. It's, yeah, market has slowed to a crawl here. Slow, slow. How slow can we go? Although, no, not quite. If I had taken that move back up there, that first trigger back up, I would have almost got the profit target. Would have got within 1 tick. Just hanging here, 39.72. Now it would have hit my profit target. I think. Nope. Still a tick away. And you see, it's going to tick away 4 different times. I think after the 3rd time, I probably would have moved the target down a tick. Now it did it. There we go. Just a couple minutes left. Let's take a look at the markets overall. Gold got up to like 1806. Fall back. Fell. Wow, I can't talk all of a sudden. Has fallen back about 4 points. Crude's dipped under 73 again. So let's look at our bigger charts here. You can see copper made it all the way up here. Has dipped about mid-range. Gold. Gold just made the new high. Has pulled back. Ultra bond trying to get back up to its highs a day that it made in Europe. There's crude. It's quite the chart there on crude, isn't it? Look at that. Climbed the mountain and then came tumbling down the mountain. And the crude came tumbling down to the crude. Nice. Silver, that big tick value scares me. And I forgot about natural gas inventories. Can you tell where natural gas inventories occurred? Totally forgot about them, but I bet you that was the candle. Wow. So on that candle with natural gas inventories, it opened 59.05, shot up and hit 6.000 exactly. So 95 ticks up, and then shot all the way back down, ended up finishing negative by 12 ticks. Ah, I just found that you got to actually activate that adjust for contract changes. Just found it. Have a great day, Crypticon. Say hi to the Hooters girls for me. Tell them to tune in to MightyOxTrading. So we've reached 10 a.m. Down slightly on the day, which is a bummer, but not that big of a bummer. If I don't trade any more today, it means I need to have 11 days to make $2,100. Still less than $200 a day. We're going to get it. Get it good. Anyway, ooh, a little pop up here. We'll just watch see what this does real quick. We'll hang on here a couple more minutes. Just out of curiosity to see if I should have taken that one as well. Nope. So looks like we might just consolidate for a while here. So eventually I think it's gonna come down later in the day. So I want to thank everybody for joining me today. I hope everybody has a great rest of the day. Talk to you tomorrow, 7:30 Eastern. Get ready for PPI reports. Ooh, wow, big move down there. So yeah, that would not have worked. Anyway, have a great day, everybody. We shall talk to you tomorrow. Bye. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is our Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.